Welcome. If you want to save a copy of your group conversations or just need to back up important messages, Telegram's new update makes exporting chat history on PC easier than ever. Especially if you want to set a specific export period. Here's how you can change the chat export period for any group on Telegram desktop. First, open the Telegram app on your PC and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, find the group whose chat history you want to export. Click on the group to open it. Then click on the group's name at the top of the chat window. This will bring up the group's contact info, where you can see members, shared media, and more. Look towards the top right corner of this info window. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them to open a drop-down menu. From the options, select Export Chat History. This will open the Export Settings window, where you can customize what gets saved. Now you'll see a list of options for what to include in your export. You can choose to export just the text messages or add photos, videos, voice messages, stickers, GIFs, and even files. Adjust these according to what you need. Here's where you set your custom period. In the export settings, look for the From and To fields. Click on From to choose the start date, and To for the end date. This lets you pick the exact time frame you want to export, whether it's a single day, a week, or several months. Make sure the dates cover the period you're interested in. Once you've set the period and selected all your options, click the Export button. Telegram will process your request and save the chat history to your chosen location on your computer. Depending on the size of the chat and the amount of media, this might take a few minutes. And that's it. You now have a backup of your Telegram group chat for the exact period you selected, ready to view offline or keep for your records. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out more tips to make the most of Telegram's features.